The YouTube algorithm is a very complicated beast, but in this video we're going to deep dive into the YouTube algorithm and how search works on YouTube. This is part of a playlist. There is a link down below if you want to start from the beginning. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now the YouTube algorithm, once fed, can cause many reactions, and of course the more you feed it with your titles, your descriptions, your tags, your thumbnails, your captions, your translations and your traffic, so therefore people can interact with it, YouTube then uses that data and measures you against other creators, which then generates your search results. Now before I deep dive into those search results and how you can tweak those subject on related videos, I want to know how much luck you've had with search results. Have you done any tweaks or testings? Have you got some metadata that shows that you can really rank really well with specific keywords and key terms? Are you in a niche and are you using TubeBuddy to tweak your content? If you're not, there's a link down below for TubeBuddy. It's a highly powerful tool, very much suggested. But I'm quite intrigued to see what you do and what kind of search results you're getting. So please leave a comment down below. Now the YouTube search results and the YouTube search is there to match the most relevant video against the keyword and key search term that you have entered. So you're not going to get Kylie Jenner makeup tutorials when you're searching YouTube tricks and tips. YouTube search rankings aren't based on just how many video views you've got. It's based on the description, the titles, the tags, and how much it relates to the search term itself. Also the amount of interaction that video has had. So your channel could have 20 subscribers. But if that video seems to be the correct answer and exactly what people are looking for, every time they watch the video they click like and they comment, and there's a good bunch of comments in relation to your subscriber count and how engaging it is, and they're watching it all the way to the end, that is more likely to rank above other channels with hundreds, thousands of YouTube subscribers. So what can you do to increase your chances of your video being found in the search results? Well, when you tag your video, make sure that it's using the most relevant tags for your video. I've done a video on 3 levels of YouTube tag. I'll leave the video up here in the little card. But it basically drills down into the fact that you need to have channel level tags, you have to have category level tags, and very specific video level tags. So in this case, I'm talking about the YouTube algorithm in 2018 and search. So in my tags, it would be YouTube algorithm 2018 search, or YouTube search algorithm. See what I mean? Very, very tight. It's also, you'll notice, 2 or 3 words long and not just one, not just YouTube or algorithm, because that could be anything. If you're hunting out specific ideas for videos, have a look at Google Trends. In that case, you get to see what's currently being talked about a lot right now. It could be anything that's in the news, it could be a toy, it could be a movie that's come out at Christmas about Star Wars thingy stuff. If you're talking about those topics, more people are going to be looking for that. And if you get a small percentage of the larger pie, you're going to get more views. The key thing here is to be relevant. Don't try and trick people with stupid clickbait, because if they arrive and then bounce out of your video, it looks really bad on your analytics and it's less likely to be engaged with and therefore pushed. So deliver what you promise from the thumbnails, description and tags, but you can still make it click worthy. There's a difference between clickbait and click worthiness. So therefore offer what they expect, but also make it a bit fun. A funny face in the thumbnail, or a funny tag, or something that's slightly hooky. To help the relevancy of your video against the keyword and key search term, write solid descriptions. Now these act like mini blog posts, and if you're new to the world of interwebiness, then fine, but if you're not, then you'll remember that it's the content that Google eats. So whether you're new or old to the world, if you've got a good 2-3 paragraph description of that video, in that, let's say 400 words, you're likely to mention the keywords and key search terms that Google want to find. Now don't pack the description with spam and don't pack it with keywords, but if you happen to drop in that this is a video about the YouTube algorithm in 2018 and it's for search results, the search results search algorithm happens to include blah blah blah, here's the description, here's the title, See what I'm doing? I'm mentioning the keywords that I want to search and rank for, but I'm not spamming it. The good old-fashioned blog posting method. Try going for seasonal topics or trending topics. So say for example, it's leading up into Halloween, why not talk about makeup tutorials? Especially if it's a couple of weeks before, because you've got a run-up, which means when people are searching for Halloween at the end of October, you've already had like a week in advance to rank a little bit better, which means you're more related than a video that was published 20 seconds ago, because you've got data to prove to Google that people watched you. But don't give the video too much of a run-up. You don't want to be posting a Halloween topic in February. If you do this right, you will make your video relevant to the search term, and the more relevant, the higher up that list you will rank. So this video is part of a YouTube playlist where I'm deep diving into the YouTube algorithm. There is a link up here or in the description down below to the rest of the playlist. If you want to subscribe for more YouTube tricks and tips, that would be wonderful. Go out there, start creating.